Welcome to today's Encyclo. Please like, share, and subscribe to get daily updates.
In this video, we can see the solution if run as administrator option is not functioning in your system. If you need the same explanation in Tamil, please click the above link. And for this issue, I'll give you 4 method of solutions, and the fourth one will be like a shortcut too. So watch the video till then. Okay, now I'll tell you the exact issue scenario of this. Now, if we open any applications from administrator mode, in my case I am just running the command prompt as run as administrator, for example. So if I click here run as administrator, it won't go to the next page. So this is the issue, and we're gonna see the solutions for this. Okay, now we will see the first method. Go to Windows search icon and type NETPLWAZ. It's your advanced user account control panel. Here select your account which serves as an admin. Click and select properties of it. Here you can see your admin username, and nearby select the group membership tab. Okay, here make sure whether it is selected as administrator. If not, check the administrator icon and click apply. Okay. So now your Windows will prompt to log off and log in, and your issue will be fixed. And this is the first method of it. So now we will move on to the next step. Just go to user account control settings, which you can search in Windows icon itself. And here just lower your settings from default as shown here. And it is also noted as is not recommended by your computer due to some security reasons. And this is your second step to fix your run as administrator issue. In case earlier mentioned steps couldn't fix your issue, just move on to the next step. Go to your command prompt and type the command sfc space /scan now and execute it. It will take some time to execute, so make this step as a last option for fixing your issue. Okay, now we will move on to the final method, and as I mentioned earlier, this will work only for few applications. And now you can select any applications which you need to run via admin mode, and here I am taking command prompt as an example. So if I can't run command prompt as administrator mode, so let's see what we can do. Just create a new shortcut in your desktop. Now I am creating a shortcut for command prompt. Here you can browse any applications which you need to run as administrator. So now I am going to create a shortcut for command prompt. Okay, now my command prompt shortcut is ready. Just select and go to properties of it. Select the shortcut tab and click advanced. Here check run as administrator and select OK. So now if we double click the command prompt shortcut, it will run as administrator. So you can see at the top command prompt is running as in admin mode. So this is the way you can open any applications via admin mode, and only it will so for some applications. And this shortcut method is useful for users those who are running their applications in admin mode frequently. So they no need to right click their applications each and every time and select run as administrator. Instead they can just double click their applications which they need to run via admin mode. So these are the 4 steps for the issue if run as administrator is not functioning in your system. Hope this video is useful to you, and thank you.
Thank you for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.